Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're here at MG in the MG cluster, and what we're going to explain to you today is the digital instrument cluster right here. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this. So now this is the display in the instrument cluster right here. You have your analog style speedometer and the ref count meter on either sides of this display, and in the center you have a digital display with your fuel on the left and the engine temperature on the right. What you can see right now in the center is the digital speedometer, that is kilometers per hour. You have P on the top, that is basically the gear, the selector basically on where it is. You have your total kilometers driven, the time, and the exterior temperature as well. So now how we're going to change that is basically from these buttons on the steering wheel right here on the left hand side. So let's scroll through this and I will explain to you each and everything. So first let's so this is your instant mileage. So this will tell you your mileage on the go. So it's really helpful, and when the engine is on and you're driving, this is what will come on. This is your fuel range. So this will tell you your range in the car. So it's showing us 265 kilometers is the range in the car right now. Click it once more. This is the basically your next service. When your next service is due, it will let you know that as well. Click it once more. Your battery voltage, that is 12 volts, so in case it's low also it will let you know over here. Very helpful as well, so you don't run out of battery. This is your tire pressure mounting system basically right here. It shows you the pressure in each and every tire. Very informative as well. This is your fuel, so your average fuel mileage, that is showing 7.4 kilometers. It shows an average speed as well of 24 kilometers per hour. Travel time of 105.02, that's the minutes, and your trip, that is the kilometers driven, that is 2612. Then we click it once more. This will show you this is after the start, so your average fuel mileage from the time you started the vehicle and we move out. This will show you that this is a long-term one. This is like the one that you start and move on. This is that. Then you move it once more, you come back to digital. Now there is still lots more. You have to press the side buttons as well. Press this once. This is your navigation. So once you put in navigation right there, you also have your the directions shown over here. Click it once more. This is your audio source. So basically you connect your phone to Bluetooth. You will also have a source displayed right here along with the name of the song and stuff like that. Click it once more. This is your Bluetooth. So once you connect your phone to Bluetooth, your contacts and stuff will also get shown on the screen right here. So you can directly press it from here and call somebody if you need to. Then you have a backlight level, so you can change this to low, medium, or high. Accordingly, the brightness will increase and decrease. We just kept on high right now because that's the best. Then you have two display themes. One is comfort, which is this right now, and then you have sports. You have a little bit more red display around it goes. So you have this red theme going around the place, making it a little bit more sportier. And if there's any warning, so right now it's showing that my driver's seat belt is not fastened, so it's telling me to put it on, but we are not moving anyway, so we are not. Any other warnings that's supposed to be there will be shown right here. So this is pretty helpful as well, another very helpful feature. And yeah, I think this is pretty much what is there on the digital instrument cluster of the MG Gloster. It's a very informative display right here. You have loads of things, so you basically don't even need to move your eyes off the steering wheel and the road. It's just right here in front of your face, in front of your eyes. So it's really helpful. Yeah, this is pretty much it. We come to an end of another video. Hope you found it informative. If you have any more questions regarding the instrument cluster right here, the digital instrument cluster, do let us know in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't watched a in-depth tutorial video on the infotainment system, do check that out as well. And we also have done an in-depth review on the Gloster. Do check that out. We'll leave it in the pop-up on the top or in the description down below. With that, guys, I see you next video. Also, do not forget to subscribe, guys.